For this you will need an Arduino board, a Bluetooth module, a pair of jumper wires. First of all, take the Arduino board and then an Arduino cable. Connect this cable to the Arduino board and then take a OTG cable and then connect it to the Arduino cable. Through this cable we will upload the codings for the Arduino. Take the mobile phone and then go to Android app. Here you will have to first of all compile the code. The completion has been finished and then connect this cable. As you can see, USB device is attached and then upload it. The code is uploaded now. Now take the Bluetooth module and the jumper wire and connect it with the Bluetooth module. And now take the Arduino board. As you can see, there is name given over there, VCC and ground. It means that these two wires are from VCC and ground. So we will pin it over there. Here it is, the pins for this. And then there is given an RX and the TX. So these are the RX and TX cables. Connect the RX to the TX. To give it a power, we are using a 9-volt battery, a connector and a battery connector. Connect these wires. And then I will seal these wires. Take the LED light and we will see here that this is a positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. So we'll connect the jumper wires accordingly. So now we will place these jumper wires in the Arduino board. And now take and connect it to the Arduino. As you can see, the lights are blinking of Arduino and the Bluetooth receiver both. Now take the Android phone and open the Bluetooth connection and then open the application. Here we will pair the Bluetooth. As you can see, it is connected. And now we will go to the button section. Here we will need to configure the buttons. So here capital A for the open and small a for the off. Now let's test this. Here we will on this, the LED will blink. As you can see, it is working. So we can add as many LEDs as we want in the different pins of the Arduino board. The range of the Bluetooth module is about 10 meters, so we can control it by the 10 meters distance. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.